What's up, boys? John Fund here, back with another back testing video. We're gonna jump right off into what I took this morning and why it was a bad trade. So, as you can see here, market open, we ripped pretty bullish. We have these forward highs, but if you look here, we filled this new day open gap, which was mostly which is high likely because what I saw today on my TikTok feed, which I completely missed, was during Asia session, we swept out all these forward lows and we continued to react off of them. So we were pretty bullish on the day. So once again, strong 5-minute uptrend, 5-minute retrace, and the most rookie mistake. I have no idea why I'm rushing. I entered when price was in a 5-minute imbalance. And so basically I gambled a gap on accident. And it took me too late to realize I was in that 5-minute gap because let's see. Can this thing flip-flop for me, please? Thank you. As soon as I entered, what did price do? Literally just swept me out. Like, I blinked. And then price just went doosh, 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 and absolutely cooked me. And then price ran to TP. Oh, shoot, I didn't even realize that. I thought price came down after. Damn, bro. That's annoying. But, yeah, just because this random sweep, Trump must have said something, took me out, and then price ran to TP. I had the correct idea. Oh, I don't even know I hit TP. Hold on. But yeah, I would hit TP, but price decided to come down. Extremely volatile, take me out, and then continue higher. So we had the correct idea, but usually when price gets really close to taking a draw on liquidity, then reacts strongly off of it, you're like you don't trade. But hypothetically, if we waited for the 5-minute gap to get inversed, oops, whatever. So let's see, 5-minute gap should be right there. Come back to the 1 minute. If we waited for this 5-minute gap to get filled, it would have been right up there probably. We broke on the 1 minute here. Did we? No, still on bearish order flow. Still on bearish order flow. Yeah, we broke right here in the 1 minute. Stops. No, we would have lost. We would have put stops there. So realistically, we just got really unlucky. But we deserved that because we accidentally gambled a 5-minute gap. So, but we had the correct idea. We're gonna take out these forward draws and liquidity. Let's see what ES did. So, I marked out 2 trades. I was gonna take this, but it wasn't really a proper retrace. It kind of was a retrace, and then we inverse this 1-minute gap. We got really close to TP, and then really close to TP, stopped out, and then ran to TP. So I have no idea what this candle was. Bless me. I have no idea what this candle was, but it was extremely volatile. And yeah, so we move on. We're down 800 on the Express. It's not looking too good, but we have proper risk management. Look how beautiful that is. So all it takes is literally what? So I'm risking $400. 400 times 1.5. I'm back basically minus 200. And then times 2 again. Now I'm up fucking 600. It's all mental. Honestly, I should have traded today. Had the correct idea, lost. But it's literally all mental. Guarantee you this day's going to be green, 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 then payout. And then, you have to lose. And whatever you do with those losing days determines if you become profitable or not. But anyways, enough of this yap. We have tomorrow to bounce back and literally the rest of the week. Because we only lost, it's only Monday. But it's whatever. We move on. But before we jump into back testing, we didn't do our shuffle yet. So we're going to switch it up. We're going to go dice. Nah, fuck that. We would have won on dice. Blackjack, all in, of course. 044. You kidding me? 0.44. Okay. You kidding me? 2750. Imagine betting 30 grand, bro. Alright, bro. Okay. We'll see if we can go on a roll here. Bang. Double that. Fucking no. Alright. Game's gone. Let's get to it. We're down on the month right now. Why am I slurring my speech, bro? We're down on the month. Yeah. Let's get another update, bro. Dude, this freaking shit updates like once a week. No, like once a day, bro. Alright, and we got fried this trade, damn. Alright. New week, new mentality, new opportunities, new stop losses, new take profits, new emotions. Alright, Monday, June 17th, 8:30 news. Bro, one of my friends told me, shout out to Andrew Ingersoll. He said that he's in July right now, 2024, and it's the worst month ever. So, I think by the time it's like, we finish this week by tomorrow, or this month by tomorrow, like towards the end of the week, we're gonna have a really rough back testing videos. Alright, looks like price is sitting at all-time highs. Let's see if ES can agree with that or create a little SMT. Yoink, 4 hour. So we do have SMTs. ES is below all these draws and NQ took out all these draws. Yeah, NQ is at all-time highs. So let's see what we get during pre-market. Pre-market is in bearish order flow. We took out London low. We didn't take out London low and ES. Alright, there you go. We took out London low. So now, what do? The draws and liquidity to the downside are kind of eh. Higher time frame, we look pretty bullish. Yeah, the draws and liquidity to the downside are kind of eh. I guess we do have stacked up draws though. This is a bunch of low resistance liquidity. Alright, let's see what plays out. Let's see, because we just without a strong draw on liquidity. Let's see if price continues higher or respects this trend we're in currently. Alright, now we also took out I don't like this. ES broke on the 5 minute to the upside. NQ broke to the downside. Alright, I want price beautiful. I want price to start a bullish uptrend. We just went out look London low and Asia low. We have that 15-minute inbounds. We're in bullish structure. This is the 1 minute break. Nasdaq's still in bearish order flow. Do we? Cause like we gotta play it patient here. Yeah. Okay, the indexes are opposite currently. We don't like that. So we're not really reacting off of London or the session lows. We just got a strong displacement to the downside. along with the index are the opposite right now. We swept out these liquidity, tapped into this 30-minute imbalance. Is it 30-minute? Yeah, 30-minute imbalance. Higher time frame bearish. We have an S&T, strong 1-minute displacement, retrace. I believe price is going to continue lower. That's my bias for the day. It's bearish, higher time, 30 minutes bearish. First TP, second, third. These are 5-minute lows, though. Is price really going to gain the momentum for these 5-minute lows? I'm not confident in this. First TP hit. Okay, then we would hit break even. So, yes, is in bearish order flow now. Broken the 5-minute. We're currently retracing. Was it a 1-minute inverse? We could continue lower now. These are strong displacement candles. Now we have these stacked up draws. We swept out this 15-minute low, I think. Was it 15? No, 5-minute low. Both indexes are in bearish order flow. We have also this 5-minute low now. Do we take this now? Yeah, we're bearish. Price wants to dump. One-minute inverse. I'm taking this. We're going to set 2 partials. Oops. Go back. 1 there. 290. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. So, we just got baited. Baited. Why does price do this, bro? Like, what is price doing at this point? It's probably gonna go up to 8 London. Yeah, like, yeah, okay, now it takes it out. So, I low-key got baited. Price took out London and Asia highs, pushed past them. And then we got like a 5-minute retrace, strong 1-minute displacement, and got fried. Bro, why am I making these rookie mistakes? But let's try me back test. Price market took out London and Asia low. First mistake. These are 2 strong draws of liquid. Liquid is short for liquidity. Strong draws of liquidity. I wanted price to continue lower to the stacked up draws of liquidity. Both indexes were bearish. ES created bearish S&T. We also got 5-minute retrace after breaking 5-minute structure. But NQ was on ES. NQ was never in bullish order flow on 5-minute. Straight down trend with a nice retrace. Retrace. Then strong 1-minute displacement. I can't spell. Displacement through 1-minute gap. Got cooked. price took out bunch of draws such as session lows. So oh my days, we were entering in a premium market. So entering in a premium market is like when price takes out a bunch of draws in liquidity, and basically you're just entering after that. So we call it a premium market. Premium market. Whatever. I knew when price took out, but I can't spell. Price took out the session lows, we were gonna continue higher. Stay more patient. Definitely stay more patient there, because yeah, like price took out the session draws and liquidity, and usually when that happens, price wants to retrace to what? The next draws and liquidity, and that liquidity was 30-minute high, session high, 4 hour. We were in bullish order flow. One hour, bullish order flow. What? No, we were in bearish order flow in the 1 hour. No, we weren't. We were, oh my gosh, higher time frame bullish too. Holy rook. Call me rookie, bro. Jeez Louise, bro. So we were bullish all day. And then after price took out the session lows, they basically said, yeah, I'm going to go to continue higher. And what did price do? We continue higher. Oh, I've been doing this shit for 9 months and I don't even know what a liquidity sweep means, bro. Hey Siri. How many months ago was July 10th?
It was 9 months and 1 week ago.
This puts us down minus 1,300, bro. Yoink, yoink. Damn, bro, we're in the second day and we're 17 minutes in. It's gonna be a long video. June 18th, this is my brother's birthday. Okay, we're bullish. I see no signs of bearishness. But I want price to continue retracing. Maybe take on London low or like some 30-minute lows. And then a nice clean trade to London high. See, like, this is why we backtest, bro. Like, backtesting changes everything. Like, imagine making that mistake in live market. That the higher time frame we're all bullish. And you lose off of that and you want short. Like, just like, holy rook. So 8:30 news took out London. Did it edge Asia high? No. So we have Asia high still. Okay. I think we have a bear. Okay, what is price doing now, bro? This is where we have to be extremely patient. I see this all the time. Price takes out both draws and liquidity, the upside and the downside, and leads us a predicament. Like, ES has Asia lows, or ES has London low. Nasdaq doesn't have London low, but it has Asia low. We just need to like see where the market wants to go. So we be extremely patient. Like, if both things are showing bullish signs, give me that fucking thing. Like, bullishness, we're gonna obviously be going long. But we have to stay patient. So on the 5-minute for Nasdaq, we're bearish. The 5-minute for ES, bullish. Okay, we have opposite indexes, bro. This is gay. These days, you just don't trade, honestly. This is like a prime setup, bro. But, nope. Yep, see, if we would have won in, we would have lost. See, like, the indexes are opposite, bro. See, they're doing a big move up. And then, what is he gonna do? A big move down. Like, it's literally stopping everybody out, bro. It's like, we're gonna go up, stop loss there, you're out. We're gonna go down, stop loss there, you're out. Watch. Edging someone's stop loss, and then it's just gonna chop around, bro. 10, like, now we're belt. See? We go up and then we're back down. It's just like this PA is extremely confusing. We're in 5-minute bearish order flow on both indexes now, but we're inside this huge 5-minute imbalance. We have a strong draw on liquidity that downside to be targeting. We're in bearish order flow. Like, what is this nonsense, bro? Like, bro. I guess? No, that's so late, bro. It's 10, yeah. We're out of here, bro. Like, the market makers think they're smart, bro. Like, I've been through this shit, bro. I've been through their shit. Like, when the indexes are opposite, I've lost so many times because of this. Because ES is bearish and NASDAQ is bullish. I go short. NASDAQ brings up ES. And then vice versa. Like, it's just like, you can't cook an experienced trader, bro. Great. Perfect. Lovely bank holiday. Also, one time I traded a bank holiday, and I think I won. Which I think was, what is this bullshit? Get out! Alright. Like, imagine it's summer, and all you're looking forward to do is trade, and you get this PA, bro. Like, I would be so pissed. Like, for my summer, I have like 14 trading days. If I can't trade 30 of them because of shitty PA, oh my gosh, I'll be so upsetting. So, wow. Price just absolutely ripped bearish. Bearish 1 hour. Bearish 30-minute. Flood through this imbalance. We could be... Okay, fucking I didn't even work this out yet. Oops. Take a breather, guys. Yeah. I feel like I have a new fucking water bottle every video. Woo! Shit. London high. London low. We got Asia low. We have Asia low here too. Alright, 4 hour. Bang. 1 hour. Stacked up draws on liquidity. 30-minute. Yeah. We have like, price can literally bear run through this shit, bro. It's kind of dry for ES. I'm not gonna cap. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if price just dumps today. Yoink. Alright. Both indexes are bearish. But we have a little predicament here. We have this imbalance. Which, if you guys have been watching my videos, we don't like to gamble these imbalances. Because it's literally 50-50. Respect it. Here, let's draw it out for you guys. Is it this thing? Like respect it, and then we go up. How do I delete this day? And then we don't respect it, we go down. So like, it's 50-50. We take the gamble to go down, we win. Gamble to go up, you lose. 50. Get out of here, bro. Oh shit. Bro, get off my screen. Alright. But we have a little thing. We don't want price to dump. If it dumps, we skip this day and we're out of here. See, like, this is where the market pisses you off. We just ripped through 4 draws of liquidity. Asia in a 4-hour and then a bunch of 1-hour lows. This shit's terrible. But now we have a bullish S&T. Now we could break in the 5-minute, target these stacked up 5-minute highs. Or, see, called it out. Both indexes seem to be bullish currently. But we need to break in the 5-minute. Okay. Nice 5-minute retrace now. No. Give us a little retrace. Yeah, look at that. Look at that bullish momentum. Okay, now we're retracing nicely in ES. We're in this 5-minute gap now. Aligned with... Alright, ES is back to ripping bearish. Or NASDAQ is. Like, we already swept out all these draws in liquidity. Premium price action. We're not forcing anything because... Yeah, bro. Look at, yeah. Like, I just knew it. Price is going to dump. I called it, bro. Like, you can't really predict this. No, like, you just stay out of the market these days, bro. I just knew price was going to take all that shit out. Now watch. If I was a lunch day trader, let's see if I would have took out London highs. Yep. That's why I'm not a lunch day trader. Oh, jeez, bro. If I think this is bad, my friend told me it gets worse. Bro. But, you know what backtesting does? It builds patience. And you know what patience does? Patience gets rewarded. You know what you do with those rewards? You flex them on TikTok. Blue band, blue band, blue bands. I gotta lock in on my Express account, bro. Like, it's crazy how, like, Trump can say one little thing and price just dumps. Like, I cannot believe how fast that candle wicked me out and then continue higher. Like, realistically, if that candle was skipped, that was a fat trade. Hold on, let's look real quick. Don't tell me this shit reset, dog. Where was I? Ah, jeez. So Monday. Here we are. Let's just say London highs was like, I think that was a 1.3. Boom, we would have hit TP. So I was down 400. So 400 times 1.3 minus 400. We'd be up like $120. But like, that's a winning day secured though. So like, a win and a win. Oh, fucking him. Alright. Let's break it down. So, price continued lower. Is this yesterday? No. We took out all these draws in liquidity. And this 30-minute low kind of reacted off of it. We're in bullish short order flow. Yeah, we're in bullish order flow in the higher time frame. Little predicament here. 4 hour is bearish. 1 hour is bearish. We have London low for sale. We do have Asia and London high for sale. My bias is neutral. Why are we neutral? We're bearish in the higher time frame. We are inside a 30-minute imbalance. Like pricing out either way. So let's see if the index is aligned to a certain direction. 5-minute bearish. 5-minute bullish. What is glitching up here? Am I tweaking or something glitching up there? Get the fuck out of here. Alright, first 5-minute candle. Tapped in this imbalance. See what ES. Same thing. We're inside this imbalance. Price. We have another 5-minute imbalance. Let's mark it out for you guys. I wonder if like anyone's like truly watching this. Like in like 4 years from now when I own a Lamborghini, let alone say 2 to 4 years from now when I own my supercars, people are gonna look back at this moment and just like damn, this kid was really grinding out when I was playing Fortnite. People will watch this video in the future. Not right now though. Make some crazy edits of me or something. It's corny now, but it's not corny when you're rich. Alright, so price 5-minute bearish. We retraced into this 5-minute gap. Broke to the upside. Inverse this 1-minute gap. Both indexes are bearish. Let's see what this like. Oh, okay. See, like, is there an entry here? We're bearish on this index, bullish on this index. Oh, we inverse this 5-minute gap during pre-market, so we were bearish. Damn, we low-key missed out. Oh, never mind. That's 9:45 PMI. We don't gamble PMI, bro. That just saved us. Yeah, no. Thank God I didn't trade. Now, what is price gonna do? Take out this 30-minute low. No draws on liquidity. Yeah, was that the move of the day? Yeah, that's the move of the day, bro. Unless respect the 5-minute gap. No. No, actually, we traded once and lost. Dude, this is testing my patience, bro. Looks like this is gonna be an L month. I'm not gonna cap. Hopefully, we can just swim through the rest of this month and then July and then get through August. I'm out. It's a school night. It's 10 p.m. It's bedtime. I'll see y'all later. Stay profitable. Peace.